everybody. Pandi here of Pandi's Hair Candy and More. Hopping on really quick to let you all know, if you didn't come on over to Primpin' Ain't Easy TV channel today for our day 17 hashtag #JewLive content challenge, you really missed out on a great time. We were doing DIY headbands. And as you all can see, I'm not quite finished, but it's coming along quite nice. I chose denim for my pattern. And I am getting ready to bling it up a bit with those pearls. Those faux pearls. But isn't that cute? It was something different, something nice and relaxing. Just unwinding, talking to the ladies, and learning how to make my own custom headband. So you all stay tuned and be on the lookout for this headband. I'm Pandi of Pandi's Hair Candy and More. Over here, for the most part, my channel is based on hair, both wigs as well as natural hair care. I also feature TV show reviews, product reviews, hauls, game nights, and much, much more. Hence the name, Pandi's Hair Candy and More. Thank you so much for taking a moment to click on this video. If you've enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It is free 99 after all. It doesn't cost you anything. Bye.